guys, I'm playing Trench Warfare WW1 and we'll be seeing if I could win the race to the sea. Okay. Okay, there's, that. Okay, so right here, there's mines. So, the plan is, I think we do this. Then, we just run away. Okay, come on. Wait. Okay. Okay, we're bombing them, and now they're dead. So it's the sacrifice that counts. These are people, these are our sacrifice people. Oh. Okay, I wasted all my money. Spend the money, spend. Okay, how many French troops do we have now? A good amount, Okay, so, this is 2 times, okay, let's spend that. You even want to put that down. That was a big mistake. Put it to this, just well, we somehow won that. Okay. Level 5. Okay, so the season is trying to change. Soon it will be freezing. Okay. Trenches? Okay, we do have trenches. They have tree people. Come on, give me my money. Give me my money that I'm gonna immediately spend on the bombs. But it's for a cause. Immediately got him. No. It's tragic. Not to me. I didn't realize this, but there could have been mines that I just didn't see, but it's fine. Tip: upgrading soldiers will strengthen your army. Machine gunner. I think I still want to upgrade the assault one. I do have the money to upgrade their accuracy, which I think should go up to 55. Skins. African? Vietnamese? Foreign Legion? We can be a colonial construct. Aggressive frontline soldier, effective in close quarter combat grenades. Oh wait, that's for all of them. A heavy support unit wielding a powerful machine gun, most effective in the trenches. Versatile infantry armed with standard issue rifles. Engage enemies with precise precision from a distance. It's launching small explosive shells. So I do know who I want to also get. Okay, we're on level 6. Wait, we're gonna... It's for the cause. It's for a cause. I don't know. Hey, this could go either way. You know, the British could do all the work while the French were meat soldiers. Now, where the heck are we at nothing? So, you know, apparently I should have been using the British. Okay, I know what I gotta do. Let the British die. Let them die. I mean, look how many there are. They're gonna die no matter what. You know, I think they keep going no matter what. Oh. They're thinning out. Wrong soldier, but I mean, so apparently these guys don't shoot. No. Why? Okay, so you let the British kill themselves while we do this. I literally just killed them with bombs. And then we just have the snipers killing out the stragglers. That worked unintentionally very well. Just death. Murder. Might as well have some support in the back. Yeah, this is going pretty good. Why are you? Okay. Ooh, that was pretty deadly, but you know, who cares? The British need shields. When do we get these guys? Level 7. Early war. I wonder what these ones get. Or veteran. What about this one? Oh, we get early war and marine. Okay, what about this one? Skins, ooh. Assault camo and a Char 2C. What about this? Oh yeah, early war, okay. Level 7, we get my bombs. After this one, I think. Why did it go into like a circle? I know what to do. Just this. All I really need to do is just this. How many do they have? No. Oh wait, they didn't do anything. Okay, never mind. Okay, so I might be not able to fit this in. Who knows? You never know. Okay, we going for the attack now. Because, you know, they have a good amount of troops that we can easily kill. Then we go immediately to the second trench. Then, we put this here, though. Don't kill yourselves. Can you please? Okay. Anyways guys, I can start at the end of today's video. Since I can't fit all of this in, I will have to finish this level later today.